Hello YouTube fans. So I'm here tuning in to you guys reporting on the aftermath. Well, actually during Irma, we're now experiencing power outage in our area, and we are the only ones with power. So on behalf of my very talented hubby Garfield Oliver, we're showing you what's going on outside. So we have heavy winds, trees are blowing around out there. We had some trees down, and so we have a power outage due to that.
In the entire neighborhood?
Exactly, entire neighborhood.
Without power.
No power. So yes, we are reaping from our solar. We have the Ames.
Our battery percentage is at?
Our battery percentage is at, what's that?
84.9%.
84.9%. We didn't get to charge it today. Had to go to
all
work.
day.
Raining all day, so we didn't get to charge it.
And our missing grid to the blackout in the subdivision.
Okay, missing grid due to blackout in the subdivision. But we have turned on a few things. We have our kitchen on, so I'm still able to see in the kitchen. We have light on up in the kitchen.
Refrigerator.
The refrigerator is on. Let me just show you. Fridge is on. That's the freezer. And now I'm heading into the garage. So here we are in the garage. Critical load. So what we have here on is the TV on downstairs, the refrigerator, like I showed you before,
Bathroom.
the bathroom, and the garage. Okay, so I'm back in here, and over in the living room, we have lights on in the living room.
TV.
Well, we can still watch some TV.
One of the gaming systems is on. The PS3 is on if you wanted to play.
Go ahead.
So I'm turning the TV on.
We could turn on the PS4s. We're just keeping them off for now.
Go ahead, turn it on.
What? The PS4s?
TV's on. Turn the TV on.
No, can I plug up both of the PS4s?
No, he said turn them on.
Oh, great. Then we'll plug it back in.
Turn these on.
Okay, so there the TV's on.
Yeah, it's plugged in.
Kids enjoying their off from school.
Because of the weather.
Of course, due to Irma. So there you go, YouTube fans.
Go back outside.
Heading back outside. Even my neighbors called to ask if we had electricity. And of course, I told them that we do have some due to our system here, but we're trying to not overload it because we're not sure how long electricity will be off.
Right, because we only sit playing with.
Because right now we have 84.8% state of charge on our battery.
Okay.
Okay, YouTube fans, thanks for tuning in.